How to know if an item will be restocked on the iconic. Hello friends, welcome to today's tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll show you how you can find if an item will be restocked on the iconic. So if you are wondering whether an item will be restocked on the iconic, here is how you can stay informed. The first step is to log in into your iconic account on any platform. It could be Google Chrome, it could be any kind of platform, okay? After logging in, the next step is to go to the products page of the item you are interested in. Okay, I selected beauty, and then on the beauties page, I'll have to select another category containing what I want, and I'll be choosing fragrance. Alright, then after selecting fragrance, the next step is to select the products that I want. After selecting the products needed, you'll be directed to the products page. Okay, so let's select on that one. All right, so on the products page, by the right side of the screen, you'll be able to see details about the products. Okay, details which includes the amounts to pay, the color, etc. And then on this stage, the next thing to do is to click on the pick a size, where you can now select the size of products that you want. All right, and then once you can see this, now you can see that on this product, all of the sizes are available, right? Now, for you to be able to be notified when an item will be restocked is when you have a product where the size you want is no longer available. For example, there's times when you want to get some products and then the size you want would be unavailable. All right, it will be displayed here. For that kind of a size, by the time you select it, you would see a button asking you to saying notify me. Once you click on that button, when that particular size is being restored, you would get an email notification. All right, when a particular item or product is being restocked, you get an email notification. An example is let's check another product out now. Okay, by choosing women dresses, selecting the one you want. For example, okay, let's say this particular product. All right, so on this page now, for example, this is the dress, and by the right side you can see the option pick a size. By picking a size, you see the different kind of sizes are available. So for example, you wanted the AU14 size, and then you realize that this size is no longer available. If it's not available, it will be displayed here. You would see it vividly being displayed, and then by the time you click on it, you will now see a button which says see similar. And by the time you click on it, you will see another option which says okay, email me, which means that you get a notification when a particular item is being restocked. All right, so that is how it works. Okay, this is basically how you can go about it. Thanks for watching and have a good day.